Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and create a shareable link so you can easily send it to others. This is a quick and simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Drive. First, go to Google Drive and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click on Go to Drive to access your storage. Step 2. Upload your video. Now you need to upload the video file. Click on New in the top left corner. Select File Upload. Choose your video from your computer and click Open. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the video file into Google Drive. The upload progress will be visible in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Create a shareable link. Once the upload is complete, find your uploaded video in Google Drive. Right-click on the file and select Share. By default, the file is restricted, only you can access it. To make it accessible to others, click on Restricted and select Anyone with the link. Now click Copy Link. Anyone with this link will be able to view and download the video. Step 4. Share the link. You can now paste this link into email, WhatsApp or Messenger, social media, any other messaging app. If you ever want to restrict access again, go back to Google Drive, right-click on the video, select Share, and change the settings back to Restricted. And that's it! Now you know how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with a link. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.